This Beechwood Village condo boasts the highest construction in the area. Luckily for you, it also is presenting a brand new chic one-bedroom unit for sale today. Seven Marquette Avenue is a highly reputable building with excellent amenities, and Unit 419 is no different, with in-unit laundry, its own underground parking spot with EV charging, and a storage locker. Before we walk inside the unit, let's talk location. This is Ottawa's Beechwood Village. Not only does it feature several high-quality cafes and restaurants, it has everything else you could possibly ask for in terms of amenities and places to go. You're only minutes away from the Beechwood Market in Ottawa's core, giving you several more options for fine dining and entertainment. This is arguably one of Ottawa's greenest neighborhoods in the core. You'll find plenty of parks and trails perfect for biking, walking, and enjoying the outdoors. Lastly, transportation here is a breeze, with Ottawa's several highways and public transit stops nearby, making your commute to downtown and other areas of the city super easy. Not to mention, this area is also super walkable, so you can bike or walk to all of your favorite places around. 7 Marquette and Beechwood Village is the perfect place if you're looking for a convenient, vibrant, and green neighborhood in Ottawa. This building was built in 2015, and Unit 419 features a one-bedroom, one-bath condo with approximately 650 square feet. There's also a large balcony with an additional 55 square feet of living area outdoors. The entranceway is a true entrance with a large coat closet to store all of your belongings and in-unit laundry. The rest of the open concept space has what may be the largest window in a one-bedroom unit, featuring tons of natural lighting. Unit 419 has a pseudo penthouse layout, meaning it has no neighbors above you. This kitchen is pristine, with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. It also flows directly into the living room and allows for open concept living. The bedroom in this unit is very spacious and even features its own walk-in closet, not to mention the custom blinds. The large balcony features tons of space and also has a gas hookup for your barbecue, making it super easy to host barbecue dinners for your friends and family. Make sure to check out our website for the full list of features of this home. This building is chic and sophisticated, built by the reputable Domicile. It's high-quality construction and located in a quiet yet accessible location. The amenities in this building will blow you away. With a workshop, gym, party room with kitchen, and rec room, you will be surely impressed. There's also a guest suite in the building for your friends and family to stay without interrupting or cramping your own unit. Please make sure to check out the rooftop terrace for a place to unwind and entertain. This is a bright, modern, and well-located condo that has everything you need and want in and around it. You'll find the status certificate, floor plans, 3D tour, and more at nickfunditis.ca. Who do you know that'll love this condo? Share this video with them and invite them to connect with us. Super easy and convenient to host. Okay, once more. Easy for your, okay, no, we're just gonna go with the other take.